Hello guys, Benjamin from Bankis Creative. Here in this Photoshop tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit photos in Photoshop. Alright, let's move right into it. So I'll be selecting this photo and I'll be moving the spots. I will be editing it and I'll be adding some effect on it to make it look better. Right. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more Photoshop tutorials like this. Alright, let's get right into it.
Take a look around here right now, you remember this time. Cause you only got the moment, so own it while you're alive. Taking it all in one blink at a time. Just let it be and you will see everything will align. No, 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 don't worry about nothing, oh, it's all gonna be good. Oh, 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 you're really something now, didn't you know that you could? No, 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 don't worry about nothing, oh, it's all gonna be good. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, nothing now, it's all gonna be good. So breathe like you know you should. Yeah, breathe till you understand. Until you're feeling like it's suffocating. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Keep your heartbeat beating. Go on, breathe. Go on, breathe. Go on, breathe. Cause I know sometimes you might fall on your way. Throw your head up, you get down when things don't fall into place. Now